Hi all, so today we're going to be having a look at a recent card that I did on my coffee and a card morning, and this is one of the ones. As you can see, it's using the Botanical Bliss stamp set as well as the botanical tags Thinlits, in particular the little foliage Thinlit, as you can see there. So let's get started. So we're starting off with a base of basic black, measuring 8 inches by 4, just 5.5. Right, so, and then we're going to have a layer of Smoky Slate, which is embossed in the Tufted dynamic embossing folder. So I love this so much, it looks so good and the effect is really pleasing. Here you go, already done an example so you can see, and I'm just going to use some multipurpose glue just to stick back down on my card like so. Don't need a lot. And line it up and put it down. For some reason I can never get things straight when I do a card on a video. Like so. And I've done it the wrong way. Oh well. Okay, so there we go. And then what we're going to do is use a pearlised doilies. You see here, pearl side, plain side, and we're just going to do some dots. Now I'm gluing face down the pearlised side because I just want the wisp white side to be showing. And I'm just going to put that down like so. Gently press it so it sticks. What we're going to do is we're going to do the card this way instead, and then what we're going to do is we're going to stamp our sentiment. So I chose the friend sentiment, as I'm sure you have noticed I've used it quite a lot in previous cards that I've made. I just really like it, and it's so diverse, you can use it for all occasions. So quickly stamp that. I'm using Stazon Ink because it's just such a nice black, and stamp that down like so. Then turn that over, and I've got a matte of basic black. I'm just going to use some adhesive, line it up. Again, I'm probably not going to get this straight, like so, and then just pop that up on some dimensionals. Now before I put the dimensionals on, what I'm going to show you is we cut the foliage out on some vellum. So to save time and all the hassle and bustle of moving the big shot in, I've pre-cut it out. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to roughly guess where I want it to go, so then I can turn it over and I can see where it covers, and I'm just going to use the dimensional to hold it into place like so. So I have got another one which I'm just going to snip down like so. And I'm just going to attach that behind there. Like so. So just move it as you're happy with it. take the backs off and put that in the centre of the card, like so. There you go. So what I also need to do even is stamp down the little bird, which is going to be on Smoky Slate, and again in Stazon, and stamp that down like so. Now to save time again, I have already pre-cut that out with my scissors, as you can see, and I'm just going to use a little bit of glue by the feet, so not a lot. I'll just plonk that behind there, like so, press it down, and there you go, and that's it. So all products are available to order from myself. The Botanical Tags Thinlits and the Botanical Bliss stamp set are available in a bundle, so please feel free to contact me. Follow me on all social medias, links below, and let me know what you think of today's card. Thank you, goodbye.